Hello everyone. Welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel, your go-to YouTube channel for daily job updates and top-notch RPA training. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Stay updated with the latest job opportunities and learn RPA skills that can boost your career. Job alert. Hiring RPA Business Analyst remote. Job title: RPA Business Analyst. Work location: remote. Experience: 3 to 6 years. Exciting remote opportunity for an RPA business analyst. Drop your CV at aishna.hr@gmail.com. Apply now or share with your network. Tag your friends or colleagues who are looking for a job change. All the best. For RPA training, contact us. Subscribe, like, and share.